Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri says his prosperity government will partner with both local and foreign investors to boost socio-economic activities for shared prosperity of the state while continuing with the ongoing infrastructure renewal in the state. Senator Diri, who last week took his second oath of office as governor, maintains that he will remain committed to the transformation of Bayelsa State into a destination of choice for investors.
I, Diri, do solemnly swear.
Shortly after taking his second oath of office as the executive governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Diri addressed Bayelsans, highlighting his achievements in the past 4 years and his plans for the ride ahead. Governor Diri reiterated his commitment to continuing the ongoing infrastructure renewal in the state, ensuring sustainable development of the people of Bayelsa.
I am excited about the potential of the senatorial roads in opening up extensive opportunities within our blue economy zone. These roads promise to unlock tremendous potentials in this sector, allowing for significant economic diversification while ensuring the protection and conservation of our valuable marine resources.
No doubt, Governor Diri's leadership in the last 4 years has brought about appreciable infrastructure renewal in the state, with the construction of major roads to link the 3 senatorial districts as well as coastal communities to the state capital, NIGER, which include the ongoing 21-kilometer Nembe Brass Road, among other giant strides in education, health, and human capital development. It will be recalled that a few hours before his swearing-in last week, Governor Diri's counterpart from Niger State, Mohamed Bago, commissioned the second and third sections of the 22-kilometer Yenegua Outer Ring Road, creating an alternative route within the capital city.
May this road open ways for our economy and for our people. Amen. In the name of God, I hereby commission this road open.
In his inaugural address, Governor Diri envisions Bayelsa becoming a destination of choice for investors as he hopes to create a business-friendly environment conducive to economic growth and development.
We have developed a comprehensive and ambitious 5-year development plan for our state. And to kickstart the implementation of this economic plan to engage stakeholders, we are excited to announce the upcoming Bayelsa Economic Development Summit in Yenagua, the state capital. The summit will serve as a platform for sharing ideas, discussing opportunities, and forging partnership to accelerate the economic growth of our state.
The National President, Ijo Youth Council, Comrade Jonathan Lokobri, is confident that Governor Diri will not disappoint Bayelsans.
Second thing for Governor Diri is good news for our state because we are sure security will improve drastically. And in terms of infrastructure, we don't expect anything less.
As Bayelsa continues its journey under the leadership of Senator Diri and his deputy, Senator Lawrence Ewurujakpo, the commitment to the transformation and prosperity of the oil-rich state remains unwavering, as demonstrated in his recent move to partner with investors to position Bayelsa as a key player in Nigeria's economic landscape.
Inside the Niger Delta,